Let's find the derivative of the square root of 1 minus x squared with respect to x. Before we dive into the calculation, let's visualize what this function looks like. This is actually the equation of the upper half of a circle with radius 1 centered at the origin. To find this derivative, we'll need to use the chain rule. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's recall the derivative of a square root function. The derivative of the square root of u with respect to u is 1 over 2 times the square root of u. In our case, u equals 1 minus x squared. So we'll need to multiply by the derivative of the inside function with respect to x. Let's apply the chain rule. We start with 1 over 2 times the square root of 1 minus x squared, and then multiply by the derivative of 1 minus x squared with respect to x, which is negative 2x. Simplifying this expression, we get negative x over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Let's visualize what this derivative means geometrically. At any point on our curve, the derivative gives us the slope of the tangent line at that point. Notice how the derivative is 0 at x equals 0, which corresponds to the top of our circle where the tangent line is horizontal. And as we approach x equals 1 or negative 1, the derivative becomes undefined, which corresponds to where our tangent lines become vertical. And that's how we find and understand the derivative of the square root of 1 minus x squared.